All right, you guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to automatically sort your base so you don't have to do it manually. This will be a good setup for especially when you have drop boxes and you're constantly going out and wanting to grab loot. You came back from grabbing loot and you want to put it in one box and let it distribute to all the appropriate places you want it to go. Well, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. First things first, you're going to need some kind of power source. I'm using a test generator. You need a wire tool, a pipe tool. You're going to need a conveyor, industrial conveyor. And these industrial conveyors depend on how many boxes you want to sort. So we're just going to sort 3 boxes for this example. I want med sticks to go in 1, ammo, and guns. So you need a conveyor for each individual box you want it to sort to. And then next you're going to power them up. So I'll just get an electrical branch and set it right here and take your wire tool. Gonna run it to each of your industrial conveyors. And the cool thing about these industrial conveyors, they have pass-throughs, which make it really simple. And do note, each conveyor does require 1 power usage. So we have 3 here. We're gonna need 3 power. Awesome. Now these are all turned on. Perfect. The next step is your storage adapters. You're gonna need 1 for each box. And you can put them on different places or multiple storage adapters on these boxes. All right. Moving on to the next step, we are going to need an industrial splitter. So you're gonna set it up like this. Have 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. I always like to do 2 extras just in case to expand it. And you're gonna take these out ports and plug them into the ends of these 2 bottom ones. These 2 bottom industrial splitters. And then this is very important. Whatever this box is, a drop box or wherever this is in your base, you want to take the out port of that box that you want to throw your items in and have it go sorting by itself to the input of your first industrial splitter, or whichever one you have connected to this stuff. All right, cool. Now after that's done, you're gonna just run these out to each input of these conveyors. Well, let's change that color to orange. Let's do yellow. And let's do blue. Now I left these open because you can still add 3 more boxes. And if you need more than 3, just get another splitter, connect this last one here. And then now you have another 6. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, cool. And then you're going to take the outputs of these industrial conveyors to the inputs of these boxes, which that was orange, or whoops, red. I'm colorblind. This is yellow. And this is cyan. Awesome. And then the next step to do after that is simply go to each one of these. Hold E on your keyboard. This is going to be medical. Whoops. Just going to do medical. This is a category. Makes it a lot simpler. You could do individual items like this if you want to. Click apply. This is going to be ammo. Going to do the generic ammo and weapons. Awesome. Cool. Now you got those set. So this will fully function. Just turn these all on. And say you're coming back from, a comps run or whatever the case is. You're going to throw all your stuff in this box right here and it will sort it out. These won't go nowhere because these don't have a filter for these, but let's do some medical. All right, so I got all these items. Just throw them in this box. And let it work its magic. There you go. It sorts it automatically for you. And that's it, really. That's all you got to do. You got to know how to do the sort your base. If you guys want to figure out another way or more advanced industrial circuit of this stuff, just leave a comment below and I'll make a video on it. Until next time, thank you guys.